The slideshow video maker ships with a native brand, that is the Tube Raider brand. When you buy branding rights as a partner, you have the option to replace that branding with your own. Let's see how to set up your branding. As you can see, initially all new branding rights rows showcase a red setup pending text. That means that you cannot use yet that brand. You need to configure it first. So let's enter the setup button. The details for the brand opens below the list of rows that represent your packs. So let's review the information that you are being asked there. Okay, there are 6 fields of information. The first 2, brand name and qualifier, are extremely important. Why? Because once you have entered them, you can no longer change them. Okay, so I will think very carefully of what information to use, and I will enter the name of my brand. As a qualifier, there should be a text, short string of text, like 5 characters long. I suggest that you use the initial of your brand. I will use OBF. Okay, that will be seen by your customers, and that will identify your installation files. Okay, if you make a mistake, please contact technical support. In order for the branding to work, you will be needing to enter the first 3 fields of information. That is the brand name, the qualifier, and the image. Okay, so you need to have an image ready. That is have to be at the most 820 pixels wide for 100 pixels tall. So you click the choose file button, and I already have set up a branding image, and that will be displayed here, the name of the text file of the file. And it will be shown when you save the information and the form reloads. Okay, the image link is not required, but it's extremely useful. It is the web address that the software users will be taken to when they click on the image, so it's usually either the home page of your site or the landing page for a particular offer. I will set up the home page of Online Business Factory here. Okay, the text now. The information that you enter in the text fields will be visible to the slideshow video maker users right below the image. So it's a nice way of setting up some additional information or tagline. Finally, the update active clients check. This option has no effects during the financial setup, but it will affect the behavior of the system if you update your branding in the future. It basically tells the system that if you want or not your customers to receive the updates that you make on your branding, or if you want your future updates only to be visible by new customers. If you're unsure, I recommend that you leave that checked. Okay, I will leave that check now. Once all the information has been set up, we click on the Save button. You will receive a success message, or any errors that the system might have encountered will be placed here. The image banner is already there, and as you can see, this row has a download link instead of the setup pending message. Okay, we will explain what that download link is about in another video of the series. So that's basically how you set up your branding. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.